today I'll show you how to create notes and tasks for your Zoho contacts directly from your WhatsApp using the Eazybe. Creating Zoho contact notes. First, open the WhatsApp chat of the Zoho contact you want to add the note for. Now, look to the right sidebar of the Eazybe extension and click on the Zoho icon. You'll see a contact section appear. Just below that, you'll find the notes section. Click on it. Create a new note. Now, click on the New Note button. This will open the space for you to enter important details. Go ahead and enter the details of your follow-up note. Once you're done, click on the Save Note button. Manage your notes. Once your note is created, you can also come back to View, Edit, or Delete it. If you need to add more notes for the same contact, just click on Add Note and repeat the process. Creating Zoho contact tasks. Open the WhatsApp chat just like before. Start by opening the WhatsApp chat of your Zoho contact. Click on the Zoho icon in the right sidebar of the Eazybe extension. Access the task section in the contact section. Click on it to access the task section. Click on the New Task button. This will open a space where you can enter task details, like the task name, deadline, or any relevant notes. Once done, click on Save Task. View and manage your tasks once saved. You can view all of your tasks under the section. Need to make changes? Just click on the three dots next to the task to edit or delete it. Thank you so much for watching!